A Sign of Affection is the story of Itsuomi, a deaf girl who falls in love with a guy named Yuki, also known as the Prince of Volleyball. Now, I will admit that this anime sounds pretty unique. A romance between a deaf girl and a hearing guy where they have to communicate through sign language. That is a pretty unique dynamic, and there's a lot of potential for cute moments. And while it does have its moments, overall, I found this show to be terribly slow. Here are my reasons why. Yuki and Itsuomi have zero chemistry. Now, the main reason why this show felt so slow to me was because the romance between the two leads felt incredibly forced. Yuki clearly has feelings for Itsuomi from the very beginning, but Itsuomi doesn't have any romantic feelings for him until much later. It feels like the anime is trying to push them together, even if it means making Itsuomi act out of character. In one scene, Itsuomi is hanging out with her friend, and they're talking about boys. And Itsumi's friend says, "You should go talk to him." So Itsuomi does, and the moment she approaches Yukio, she blushes and gets all nervous. But the weird thing is that before she was talking to her friend, she was perfectly fine. And she wasn't blushing at all. It just felt like the writers were trying to rush the plot by forcing these feelings onto Itsuomi. Like, you can't just make someone have a crush on someone else. You have to build up those feelings and actually show the audience how their feelings develop over time. And that's something that this anime fails to do. They don't even have that much chemistry when they do get together later on. Like, the only time we see them being affectionate towards each other is when they're sleeping. Oh yeah, they also hold hands a lot. That's like the only other form of physical contact they have with each other. They don't even kiss on the lips. They just stare into each other's eyes a lot. I really wanted to like this anime because the premise is amazing, but the forced romance just made me want to bash my head into the wall. The side characters are completely boring. While the romance in this anime is failing miserably, the side characters aren't much better. We have Oushi, Itsuomi's childhood friend, who's been in love with her for years. But for some reason, Itsuomi treats him like garbage. She ignores him, she yells at him, and she even calls him an annoying little brother. And as the anime progresses and Itsuomi starts developing feelings for Yuki, she treats Ouchi even worse. Like, she'll be hanging out with him and she'll randomly start flirting with Yukio in front of him. That is not okay. Like, that's not okay at all. Oushi is definitely one of the most pathetic love interests I've seen in a while. And the worst part is that he's treated like the main love interest. Every time Itsuomi is hanging out with either Oushi or Yukio, the music will start playing and the camera angles will change. And I thought this meant that Itsuomi was going to confess to one of them. But no, this happens like 5 times with Oushi and then 0 times with Yukio. Like I said before, Itsuomi literally confesses to Yukio out of nowhere. There's no build-up, there's no chemistry, and there's no good reason as to why she likes him. Also, Oushi isn't the only boring side character. Itsumi's parents are also incredibly dull. They're just always fighting with each other, and they never try to be good parents. The pacing is glacial. If you like watching paint dry, or if you enjoy staring at walls, then this anime is for you. A lot of time is wasted on pointless scenes that don't move the plot forward. For example, there's an entire episode dedicated to Itsuomi and Oushi going on a trip with their friends, and while it is a cute episode, it doesn't do anything for the overall plot. And this is an example of something that happens a lot in this anime. Nothing happens. Also, the scenes where Itsuomi and Yuki are just staring at each other awkwardly could have been cut down by at least 80%. Sign language scenes are repetitive. This is going to sound incredibly stupid, but a lot of the sign language scenes in this anime felt repetitive. I feel like every time Itsuomi and Yuki would have a conversation, they would always say the same 3 sentences to each other. And I'm pretty sure that these conversations didn't even translate correctly, because in one scene, Itsuomi says, "My name is Itsuomi," and Yuki replies, "It's nice to meet you." Like what? Why are you introducing yourselves to each other? You already know each other's names. You've been in the same class together for years. It just felt incredibly repetitive and pointless. Overall, I really wanted to like this anime, but the forced romance and glacial pacing made this show a snore-com instead of a rom-com. If you like slow-paced anime, then this might be for you. But if you have a sick addiction to fast-paced plots and actual character development, then stay away from this anime like the plague. I give this anime a 2 out of 10. Well, that's my opinion. What's yours?